Break the details that is now coming in on part of the BJP. Amit Malviya of the BJP has now taken on, as far as the TMC government in the state is concerned. Let's put that out. The post that he has made on the social media platform X. Let's quote from that tweet where he says that every time a woman is raped and murdered in Bengal, Mamata Banerjee pretends if nothing has happened. Pushed to the wall, she either character assassinates the victim or worse, defends the rapist. Like in the case of Sandesh Khali, she is vile, someone who legitimizes rapes and murder as a tool of political retribution with a silent acquiescence. And also, women of West Bengal won't be safe as long as she is the chief minister. She must go. The resident doctors and the students of the RG Kar Medical College have no confidence in either Kolkata police or the state agencies to do the right thing. It would be best if Mamata Banerjee hands over the investigation to the CBI and medical examination to the AIIMS Kalyani or even the Command Hospital in Kolkata. This is how the BJP has been reacting, saying that as far as Mamata Banerjee is concerned, or even when it comes to the Kolkata police, they are incompetent when it comes to handling a sensitive case like this, because this is with regards when it comes to women's security. As far as the protests there are also concerned, because there has been also a first statement that has now been issued by the Chief Minister herself. Adrija, if you can give us a quick update on the statement that has been issued by Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister.
Absolutely, Mamata Banerjee have herself come out here and have said that strictest punishment will be given to whoever and how many people ever has been involved in this entire heinous crime that has taken place in this particular medical college. And at the same time, Mamata Banerjee has said that she doesn't have any objection to a CBI inquiry. If the students of this college want, then they can definitely do a CBI inquiry into the matter. And at the same time, Mamata Banerjee have said she stands with the students of the college. She agrees with all the demands that the students have been making in this RG Kar college, who have been sitting in demonstration since morning. She have also said that although she does not personally favor capital punishment, but if the students want that, then she also does not have any problem regarding that. Then capital punishment should definitely be given. This is what Mamata Banerjee have now come out and have mentioned regarding the rape and murder case that has happened in RG Kar Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata.
All right. And you know, Adrija, there is clearly a lot of politics being played on what has happened, but in a state that again and again has seen crime against women and escalation like this, and perhaps a chief minister who does not even want to recognize that there is a problem, you know, Adrija, clearly we will have to figure out how will Mamata Banerjee deal with crimes against women.
Yes, you see, this is a severe security breach on the part of the administration. And of course, this is a medical college, you know, where patients come from not only across the state but also from neighboring states to treat themselves. So if a doctor who is a student also of the same medical college, such atrocities happen with her, then nowhere, in fact, inside the campus is safe. And that is what the protesters have also been mentioning, that they are protesting because they do not feel safe anymore inside the campus, because such heinous crime is happening to a doctor, to a student doctor who is on the line of duty. So of course, you know, that neither the patients nor the students nor any other person who is inside the campus is safe. So hence major security questions are being raised. And also another very interesting matter that has come forward is that there was no CCTV camera on the corridor itself of the seminar room where this has happened. So definitely, you know, major security breach on the part of the administration.
Absolutely. And heads must roll, Adrija. We must have answers to how could something as dastardly, as heinous as this could happen.